Ar ôl graddio Brifysgol Abertawe, gallwch cael mynediad at gymorth gyrfaoedd a chyflogadwyedd gydol oes trwy Rhaglen Cymorth i Raddedigion Academi Cyflogadwyedd Abertawe. P'un ydych y fi'n graddio wedi graddio'n ddiweddar, ni'n chwilio am newid gyrfa yn ddiweddarall, rydym yma i chi o hyd. Drwy Rhaglen Cymorth i Raddedigion, gallwch cael mynediad at ynghylch sablygu gyrfa i Raddedigion, llio offer ac adnoddau i helpu drwy'r broses recriwtio, tîm cymorth i Raddedigion sy'n gallu cynnig cyngor a chymorth gyrfaoedd un i un, raglen hyfforddiant a digwyddiadau fyw ac ar alw, mynediad at fyrsariaethau cyflogadwyedd gyda cyllid werth hyd at 700 pint, mynediad at interiaethau wedi hariannu'n llawn i helpu chi feithrin sgiliau ymarferol a meithrin eich rwydwaith a'ch hyder. Gallwn helpu eich gefnogi i gyflawni gyrfaoedd, boddhais a gwobrwyol i Raddedigion. Ond peidiwch â derbyn ein gair ni am hyn.
I signed up to the graduate support programme by filling in a form. It was really easy and I got access to loads of information about what was available to me. I get regular emails about all the support and things that I can get involved in through the graduate support programme. The graduate support programme supported me by giving funding for me to do an internship after I graduate. The internship is doing a marketing, events and design internship and it's going to give me lots of skills to enter the world of work after I graduate. The internship will help me get a lot of skills to put on my CV and it'll help me build a professional network.
Beth ydych chi'n aros am? Cyfrestrwch nawr.